Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, like, so you guys,
she's making a channel right now.
So today we filmed.
This is like Laser's place.
This is kind of we filmed.
Everyone's put on camera.
Wait,
we just found the coolest thing in the world.
It's a baby.
My YouTube channel. My YouTube channel. And it's her YouTube channel.
And that's a bird, guys. I think it was born last night. I don't know. We have to be careful. I can't believe there's like a little bird. We're so scared because we don't know where the mom. You guys, I see a bird flying.
Not really to you.
Zach. I can't. I saw a bird fly up there. Like it was a mama bird, I think. I don't know, but I saw a bird fly up in the trees. Well, right now we have to take care of the little baby bird since the mom's not there.
No, they probably lost his child.
No, there was actually last night I got to see him. Last night there were 2 chicks.
Guys,
Two
this
birds.
is one of the weirdest things ever.
So like there was 2 baby birds last night. Now there's only 1. Okay, and if you love baby birds, like this video and subscribe to this video and comment down below if you like this video. And
why did you guys put it on YouTube?
And comment down below. Actually, no. Comment down below if you like baby birds. That would be like the best thing.
Dang, you getting fissy, huh?
No, stop it. You can't touch it.
I need to get a good view.
I need to get a very
Having
good.
a freaking fissy hit.
Look, guys, this is only part 1. I'm making another video. There's gonna be
I hope
more.
it doesn't bite me.
or peck you. I don't want it to bite me. But I'm so sad because it's mommy and dad.
Really cool, guys.
Just really.
This shirt. I hope y'all heard that.
It's just so cute. I'm gonna cry because that was a baby bird. Yeah.
It's not that cool.
I think I'm still gonna be looking. That was wrong. But I'm really gonna still keep on looking up there because that's where I saw the mama. Oh, I don't know if that was the mama bird, but I saw a bird fly up there, and it could be it. Anyways, I'm gonna make a part 2 of seeing the baby bird and see if we can find the baby bird. Okay, it's mom, baby bird's mom.